Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I'm Chavi Sompura. Summer weather sticks around through Friday before yet another rainy and gloomy weekend for the US. After a gloomy start to the week, the sun returned on Wednesday and temperatures finally felt like June in the US. Enjoy it while it lasts because another cloudy, damp, cool weekend is coming. Summer weather holds for the rest of the week before things start to slip. Sunshine and above normal temperatures in the 80s on Thursday and Friday will be a delight for warm weather lovers. Parts of New Jersey will exceed 90 degrees on Thursday, while shore areas on Long Island will be cooler in the low 80s. The entire day remains sunny and dry, though a stray shower may pass through after dinner as front drops into the region. Even with the temperature drop, inland highs still manage the 80s on Friday. We will see a few more clouds building in the sky but should remain dry for one more day. Friday, like Thursday and Wednesday, will be great beach day if you are able to the shore. Another round of light showers could drift through Friday evening, with even more on tap for the weekend, making for yet another Saturday and Sunday. North Jersey and the Hudson Valley will likely see the most rain this weekend, while those out on Long Island and down in South Jersey will see comparatively less. As such, those further south and east have a better chance of enjoying periods of dry skies. All these wet weekends may even make it feel like the entire year has been a soggy one. It's going to be a wet commute for millions with showers and possibly a thunderstorm before 2 p.m. Areas will also be blanketed by fog, but that should be clear by 11 a.m. according to the National Weather Service. Going into the evening, there is about a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms before 10 p.m. with a gentle wind coming in from the west. After a brief window of sunnier weather in the middle of the week, by Friday the rain will return. On Friday, there is a 30% chance of showers after 2 p.m. Despite the wet weather, sun will now and again punch through the clouds with highs of near 76 Fahrenheit. The weekend is looking equally miserable with a 50% chance of rain on Saturday. It will also be much cooler with highs of 69 Fahrenheit. Sunday and Monday will continue to streak of intermittent showers with a 30% chance of rain both days. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.